So guys, what is up? I have recently found a scammer in Roblox. So yeah, this is currently the scammer that I found, and yeah, because I told him I was gonna do a social experiment, and then he didn't trust me and all that bull crap. So yeah. So let's see if he accepts my friend request. Let's check out his YouTube channel. I never realized he had one. Let's check it out. Copy and paste. Okay, so OMG boy, he has 0 subscribers. No wonder why. So jailbreak speed hack. Oh, he's gonna be trying to be a hacker. Now I understand. So yeah. So I hope his account gets banned because he hacked my account called Supercell from Clash. Oh, he hacked this account. I don't want to send a friend request. I don't want to accept a friend request. Because what was I gonna say again? Oh, because I don't want to get hacked again in this account, so I'm just gonna ignore the friend request. So yeah, and yeah guys, so that was all for today, and also be sure to join my group, so JDM Kids. So we also have a winner called Naruto Ninetales 1121, and I also own another group called Lumber Tycoon 2 Lumber Tycoon 2 Shop. So be sure to join it also. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to leave a like as always, and comment and subscribe. Peace out.